Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to see the second chapter, percentage and simple interest. Okay, first we shall see the percentage. We shall recall what and all we studied in 6th standard. Okay, 80% means, yes, 80 by 100. If you have this percentage symbol means the denominator is 100. Okay, 80 by 100. If you want to simplify means you can simplify 1 0 1 0. So here 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are. So the answer is 4 by 5. The fraction of 80% is 4 by 5, isn't it? Okay, then 20% means, yes, 20 by 100. Okay, then now we shall convert fraction to percentage. Example 2.1. Write 1 by 5 as percent. We have to find the percentage of 1 by 5. Okay, out of 5 we have 1, isn't it? So we have to make this as percentage means we have to multiply this by 100. Okay, then we can cancel 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, then 1 0. So it is 20%. Otherwise we can make the denominator as 100. The another method is 1 by 5. If you multiply this 5 into 20 means it will come as 100, isn't it? So you have to multiply the numerator also. Then it will be 20 by 100. So it is 20%. These are the two methods to find the percentage. Okay. Example 2.2. Convert 7 by 4 to percent. Okay, solution 7 by 4. So you can multiply this by 100. So it will come as 7. You can cancel 4 1 times. 25 4s are 100, isn't it? So 7 into 25. Okay, 7 5s are 35. Remainder 3. 7 2s are 14 plus 3. 175. 175%. Okay. Then we shall move to example 2.3. Out of 20 beads, 5 beads are red. Out of 25 beads, 5 beads are red. Okay. What is the percentage? Fraction of beads. You have to find the fraction of beads. Out of 20, fraction of beads is equal to, out of 20, 5 beads are red. So you have to say the percentage of red beads. Okay, so 5 by 20 into 100. Okay. Then you can cancel 20, 0, 0. 2 1s are 2, 5 2s are 10. So 5 5s are 25. So it is 25%. Example 2.4. Convert the fraction 23 by 30 as percent. That is 23 by 30 into 100. Okay. Can cancel 0, 0. Then it will 230 by 3, isn't it? It is 230 by 3. Then you divide 230 by 3. That is 233. Then 7 3s are 21, isn't it? The remainder is 2. Bring down 0, 20. So again 6 3s are 18. Then remainder 2. So the answer is 76. 2 is not enough. So 76, 2 by 3%. Okay, here you have to say in percentage, no? So no need to keep decimal. Okay. See exercise 2.1, first problem. In which each of the following grid, find the number of colored squares and express it as fraction, decimal, percentage. Here, how many boxes shaded? 1, 2, raise it to 10 boxes here. Okay. 10, 20. Here, 20, 27. 27 plus 7 is 34. 34 plus 7 is 51. Okay, 51 plus 7 is 58. So 58 boxes are shaded here. Totally how many boxes here? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So 10 boxes. 100 boxes are here. Out of 100 boxes, they have shaded 58 boxes. Okay. So the fraction of first one is 58 by 100. Okay. Then decimal of that fraction 58 by 100 is 0.58, isn't it? Okay. Then percentage of this is 58 by 100 means 58%. Okay. Here you count and see. Here how many boxes are shaded? Count. 53 boxes are shaded. Okay. Then total boxes is 100. Okay. Total boxes is 100. So out of 100, 53 boxes are shaded. So the fraction of second sum is 53 by 100. Then the percentage is 53%. Then the decimal is 0.58. Yes. Then the third one. Here, totally how many boxes? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boxes. Okay. 1, then 20, here 30, 40, 50. Totally 50 boxes. They are shaded. Count and see. 25 boxes they are shaded. Okay. So the fraction of the third one is 25 by 50. Okay. Here the you have to see the decimal. No, we want to decimal. See the decimal. The denominator must be 100 or 10. So you multiply this by 2. Then you multiply the numerator also by 2. So it will come as 50 by 100. Isn't it? The decimal is 0.5. Okay. Here the percentage is 50%. Then the fourth one is, see here, how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 5. 5 5s are 25 boxes are here. Okay. In this 25, 17 boxes are shaded. So the fraction is 17 by 25. Yeah. You have to change this to decimal. So you multiply this by 4. Then the denominator will come as 100. Okay. So 17 fours are 7 fours are 28. 8. Remainder 70. 7 fours are 28. Remainder 2. Then 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 2 is 68. So the decimal is 0.68. Okay. Then the percentage is 68%. Shall move to fifth problem. Here it is 30 boxes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 5s are 30 boxes. Out of the 30, 15 is shaded. So the fraction is 15 by 30. Then the decimal is, you have to change this to cancel 1 times, here 2 times. So it is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 5, isn't it? It will come as 10, no? So 5 by 10. This is the decimal, that is 0.5. Okay, you multiply both by 10 means it will come as 50 by 100. So it is 50%. Then fourth problem. write each of the following fraction as percentage. Then first one is 36 by 50. 36 by 50 means you have to multiply this both by 2. Yes. Then will come as 36 2s are 36 into 2 by 100. Yes. Then it will come as 72 by 100. Okay. You have to change this to fraction and percentage. So percentage is 72 percentage. Okay. Fraction is 36 by 50 becomes 72 percentage. Then the second sum is 81 by 30. Then you can cancel here solution. You can cancel 81 by 30 by 3, isn't it? So 3 tens are 30. Here 3 twos are 6. Remainder 2. Then 27. Then it will come as 27 by 10, isn't it? Now you have to change this to percentage, no? So percentage means the denominator must be, yes, 100. So you multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. So it will come as 270 by 100. So the answer is 270 percentage. Then the third problem, 42 by 56. Solution, if you can cancel means you can cancel. 56. Okay, 450. 2 table by 2 table 2 times 1 times. Here by 2 table 2 times. Here 1 remainder 16, 8 times. So 21 and 8. 21 by 28. Yeah, both comes in 7 table. Yes, 3 by 4. So you by 3 by 4. You multiply this both by, otherwise you multiply by 100. Then it will come as 25. The answer is 25 percentage. So answer 25 percentage. Then you shall move to fourth problem. 2 1 by 4. First we have to change this mixed fraction to improper fraction. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Yes, 9 by 4. Now you have to multiply by 100. 4 1s are 4. 4 25s are 100. So 9 into 25. That is 9 5s are 45. Remainder 4. 9 2s are 18 plus 4, 22. Okay. So it is 225 percentage. Then we shall move to fifth problem. That is 1 3 by 5. 1 3 by 5. It is in mixed fraction. You change this to improper fraction. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 3, 8. So 8 by 5. Okay, and now you have to multiply this by 100 to make a percentage. So 5 1s are 5. 2 5s are 10. Then 1 0. So the 20 into 8. So 0, 8 2s are 16. So 160 percentage. Answer is 160 percentage. Okay. We shall see the fifth problem. That is word problem. Okay. Fifth problem is Anbu scored 436 marks out of 500. Okay. In his exams, what was the percentage he scored? Then solution. Anbu scored 436 marks. Okay. Out of 500. Isn't it? So here the fraction of his mark is 436 by 500. Okay. You have to change this to percentage. So you multiply by 100. Okay. Then 0, 0. 0, 0 gets cancelled. The 436 by 5. Now we can cancel 5 and 436. 5 1s are 5. 8 5s are 40. Then remainder 3. 7 5s are 35. Remainder 1. So 5 2s are 10. So the percentage is 87.2 percentage. Okay. The 87.2 percentage. Then the seventh problem. Union bought 5 dozen eggs. Out of that 5 dozen eggs, 10 eggs are rotten. Express the number of good eggs as percentage. Given is Union bought eggs is equal to 5 dozen. 5 dozen eggs. Okay, 5 dozen means 12 fives are, yes, 60 eggs. 60 eggs. Okay, Union bought 60 eggs. Out of that, rotten eggs, that is rotten eggs, is equal to 10. So good eggs is equal to good eggs is equal to 60 minus 10 is equal to 50 eggs is good eggs, isn't it? Okay, now what you have to find? To find the percentage of good eggs. Okay, then solution, you have to see that the percentage of good eggs is equal to 50. Out of how much good eggs is 60? Out of 60, 50 are good eggs, isn't it? So 50 by 60, that is 0, 0 gets cancelled. Then 5 by 6 into 100 is equal to, you have to cancel, means you can cancel, otherwise you keep itself. And 500 by 6, that is 6 8s are 48. Okay, remainder 2, that is 20. Then 3 times 6 3s are 18. Again remainder 2. Then keep on point, add on 0, 3 going on. So the answer is 83.33%. So answer, the percentage of good eggs is equal to 83.33%. Then we shall see the 8th problem. In an election, candidate X secured 48% of votes. What fraction will represent his votes? Okay, solution. A candidate X got candidate X secured is equal to 48% secured votes is equal to. Okay, now we can write this as 48 by 100, isn't it? They asked the fraction of votes. Fraction of votes is equal to 48 by 100. We can simplify and say the fraction, isn't it? So 48 means 24. Here 50. Again you can cancel. Then 24 by 50, isn't it? Again 1 times, 2 times. 12 by 25. So the fraction of votes is 12 by 25. So answer, fraction of votes is equal to 12 by 25. Okay. Then we shall move to next problem. That is 9th problem. Ranjit's total income was rupees 7,500. He saved 25% of his total income. Find the amount saved by him. Okay. He saved 25% of his income. That is solution. How much is 25%? His total income. Income is equal to rupees 7,500. Savings is equal to 25%, isn't it? So out of 7,500, 25% is how much? 0, 0 gets cancelled. Then 75 into 25, multiply. 75, 25. 5 5s are 25, remainder 2, 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 2 is 37. 5 2s are 10, 0, remainder 1. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 is 15. So 5, 7, then 8, 1. Then how much is saving? He is saving how much money? Yes, he is saving rupees 1875. Okay, 1875 he is saying. Find the amount saved by him only, they asked. So the answer is answer. The amount saved is equal to rupees 1875. Then objective type questions. Then 10th problem. Tendril saved 1/4 of her salary. Her savings percentage is dash. Okay, that is first is 3/4. First you shall see solution. 1/4 of his salary, that is 100%. Keep us 100. 1/4 of his salary, and it is 25%, isn't it? 25%. Which option? Option 3. Then 11th problem. Kavin saved 15 out of 25 in a test. The percentage of his mark is dash. Okay, he got 15 out of 25, isn't it? He got, you have to see the percentage of this. 25 ones are 25, 4s are 100, isn't it? 5 4s are 20, remainder 2, 4 ones are 4 plus 2 is 6. So 60%. Okay, which option? First one. Okay. Then we shall move to 12th problem. 0.07% is dash. Percentage means 0.07. Percentage symbol means you have to write the 100 in denominator. Now you have to make this as fraction. So here again it will come as 0.0007. After 2 digits you have to go, no? So the answer is 0.07 decimal. They are given in fraction, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to multiply by 10,000, isn't it? By 1 into 10,000. Then the answer is 7 by 10,000. Okay, that is the fourth option. Thank you. Have a nice day.